Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you Shopify order fulfillment tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you actually fulfill orders in Shopify? Well, in this case, the first thing you need to do is you need to access our Shopify website or admin page here. And from here at the left panel, you want to go to orders. Now, there are actually different statuses that you could see on different orders. So this includes the fulfillment status section there. Now, in the fulfillment status section, you should be able to see the current status of that order. Then again, like what I said, there are different statuses. So first is going to be an order that is not paid yet. So usually if an order is unpaid, it's going to mention it in here. So typically when you open up an order here, you'll have a button at the top right of the screen to basically send invoice to that specific customer. Now, once they proceed with the payment, or once you've actually marked this as paid, you should be able to see a different UI, which in this case is now going to be paid and unfulfilled. Now, in this case, you can fulfill this item or this order in actually a pretty easy way here. But before we do that, we first need to actually view the things that we could actually do here, just in case you want to do a few things or change a few things on the actual order. So first is going to be at the very top right. You should be able to see different options here. Now, just in case, like for example, your customer already paid for this item and they decided to basically cancel the order, you could actually make a refund for them. In this case, you can go and click on refund here and just fill out the necessary details here, how many items is going to be refund and how much is going to be refunded. Now, the automatic value here is going to be the whole value of their product, but if you want to manually change, like for example, since they already paid for this one, maybe you only have the option to refund 80% of the total payment. So since it's $100, 80% is going to be $80 of the total amount here. So yeah. So you also have the option to restock this item if you want to put it back into your stocks. So it will actually automatically change the amount of products that you have right now on your store here. So to proceed, just click on refund here and make sure to provide the reason for the refund here just for tracking purposes. So let's just leave this page here. Now, also you have the option to edit the actual order. So when we click on edit at the top right, you have the option to apply any discounts, adjust the quantity of products, or even remove items in the order. Now I also have the option to add products here if you want to. Like for example, if they have like pants, if they ordered additional pants here, you could go ahead and do that as well. And from here, you could also add the reason for edit. Like for example, customer decided to add this item, so you could go ahead and do that as well. Now, in this case, you could add a custom item as well if you want to by clicking add custom item. And if the shipping fee is not yet added on the actual order, you could add one by clicking add shipping fee here. And you can basically add the title and cost of that shipping fee. Now, once you're done, just click on up the order to top right and you should be able to update your order. Now, you also have the option to print this order, like print order page or packing slips if you want to. The packing slips is going to be the slips that you actually put on the actual order. So yeah, if you want to print those, you can go ahead and do that as well. I have the more action here, which in this case allows you to duplicate, cancel orders, or even archive or view the order status page if you want to. Now, in this case, just in case something happened, you can actually leave a comment here just for tracking purposes. If you want to, just click on post and you should be able to add that. Now, if the details of this order is not yet complete, you can add their contact information, shipping address in here by clicking on the appropriate buttons here, which includes the pencil icon here, which in this case, you should be able to add their email or phone number, or for shipping address, their address here and their country. Now, to fulfill an order, you just need to click on the fulfill item at the bottom right of the screen. And from here, you have to go ahead and just click on fulfill item. But remember, there are going to be some notifications here that, for example, if you haven't added a shipping address here, it's going to say this order does not have a shipping address. But then again, if you want to proceed, just click on fulfill item here. And as you can see, it is now fulfilled. So when we actually go back into our orders, it should now be marked as fulfilled and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.